Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me tap on it, and here we have to scroll down in order to find About Phone. Now let's localize the build number, which in this device is at the very bottom of this list. So all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back, and be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock or reset, your device will probably ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Here we've got the system, so we have to enter this section right above the About Phone and enter the developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show the notification channel warnings. Here we can override the force dark. Here we can change the animations. So we've got the options connected with the animation, so with the visual feedback for tabs, some options which are connected with the connection overhaul or the networking, because we've got the Bluetooth, we've got also the USB, etc. So basically, if you want to turn on the option, it works the same, just like in the regular settings. Just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, for example, in the window animation scale, just tap on it and pick something from the list. If you're done with customization of developer options and if you want to turn them off, nothing easier, just tap on the switcher at the top on this bluish background. As you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system, the developer options will disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, if you want to customize them again, you can. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.